Hey everybody, I'm on day 2 of my road trip down to Reno. I made it as far as Susanville, California last night. I got in at about 11, found a hotel and crashed out. Now I'm headed south to Reno. I only have like an hour or so to get there, but I'm gonna stop at a cemetery and find a geocache. So yesterday I found 2 geocaches in Oregon. I'm gonna find one in the northern eastern tip of California today, and then I'll try to find one while I'm in Nevada. I'm at the Milford Cemetery in Milford, California, and I'm trying to find a geocache. This is a tiny cemetery on a dirt road off the highway. Feels very Wild West. Oh, it's saying it's this direction. It's a big headstone. Getting closer. Could that be it right there? Looks like it. Somebody stomped it or something? That's it. Got our logbook. Ooh, dog paw sticker. Dinosaur dog tags. Oh, baseball card. What else? What's this? Norwich University, 200 years. Oh, it's a travel. It's a trackable. Turtle bracelet. A tiny miniature screwdriver. That's cool. Button. All right, away we go. I wonder where Norwich University is. Miles into Nevada, and I'm gonna find my first Nevada geocache. All right, this might be it right here. It says we're there. Kind of looks like it's just gonna be in that ditch somewhere. Getting closer. There's a dead bird. GPS is bouncing around a little bit. Could it be under here? Oh. Rear view mirror, anybody? It's in pretty good shape. Hey, little guy. There's some foot traffic over here. Ah, there it is. Nice. Low and slow. We got an army guy, a couple green screws. There. I found this in California. Now it's in Nevada. So I'm on my way home. Got that long 8.5 hour drive back to Portland. Doing the driving in the day now, so that's nice. And there's been a lot of really cool stuff to see that I missed in the dark. So it was a great trip, fun shoot, and I'm just excited to get back to see the family. So thanks for watching.